Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Primerica app in your device. So let's get started. So if you are an Apple user, then you have to use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, then you have to use your Google Play Store. So let's get started. So first of all, we will just open a Google Play Store and search for the app here. As you here, you can see it, Primerica app. From here, you can right click on the install and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. And if you scroll down, you can see the rating as 2, and you can also rate the app after installation, and it's very easy to use. And you can see the other people are also using and it's have a good rating too. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.